Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Brow Stencil Kit is probably one of the most revolutionary beauty tools for anyone dreaming of perfectly sculpted, natural-looking eyebrows without the daily struggle or expensive salon visits, offering a quick and foolproof way to achieve symmetrical, defined brows that stay flawless all day, even through sweat and humidity, thanks to its waterproof formula and user-friendly design. Number 5. Revlon Volcanic Face Roller. Achieve an instantly mattified, shine-free complexion. This innovative tool quickly absorbs excess oil, leaving your skin looking fresh and smooth. Maintain your perfect makeup look throughout the day. It removes unwanted oil without disturbing your carefully applied cosmetics, keeping you flawless. Whether you're at home or on the go, this compact tool is your secret weapon. Use it on clean skin or over makeup for a quick touch-up whenever you need it. Crafted from real volcanic stone, it's far more effective than traditional blotting papers. This reusable and washable tool offers a sustainable and convenient way to banish shine. No need to buy a whole new product when it's time for a refresh. Simply swap out the roller ball with a convenient refill pack, ensuring continuous use and great value. What we like? This innovative tool instantly mattifies your skin by absorbing excess oil without disturbing your makeup. Its unique volcanic stone design is reusable and washable, offering a sustainable alternative to blotting papers. If you struggle with oily skin throughout the day or need a quick touch-up without ruining your look, this is an excellent choice for on-the-go freshness. What people say. Number 4. Aesthetica Brow Contour Kit. Discover the ultimate solution for perfect brows with this all-in-one kit. It provides everything you need to sculpt, define, and enhance your eyebrows effortlessly. Featuring 6 versatile eyebrow powders, you can find your ideal shade. Plus, 5 unique stencils guide you to achieve your desired brow shape with precision. This kit comes equipped with a high-quality spoolie brush duo for seamless application and blending. Precision tweezers are also included for expert grooming. Lock your look in place with the included brow wax for long-lasting hold. A luminous highlighter adds the perfect finishing touch, making your brows pop. Looking for a thoughtful present? This comprehensive brow kit makes a unique and cherished gift for any woman. It's ideal for birthdays or any special occasion. What we like? This extensive 16-piece kit provides everything you need for perfectly sculpted brows, from powders and stencils to wax and highlighter. It allows for custom blending to match your exact brow shade and shape. If you're looking for a professional-grade brow solution with ultimate versatility to create various looks, this comprehensive set is ideal. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, it is not possible to select points as requested. Number 3. LAVONE Makeup Kit. Achieve stunning, natural-looking eyebrows with this all-in-one makeup kit. It provides everything you need for a flawless brow routine, simplifying your beauty regimen. Say goodbye to uneven brows. This kit includes an innovative eyebrow stamp pencil, designed for quick and precise application, ensuring perfectly shaped brows every time. For lasting beauty, it features a waterproof brow pencil and pomade. These ensure your brows stay defined and smudge-proof throughout the day, no matter the weather. Beyond brows, this kit also includes a high-quality eyeliner. It helps you complete your eye makeup, adding depth and definition to your overall look. Achieve professional results with the included dual-ended eyebrow brush. It's perfect for blending, shaping, and detailing, giving your brows a polished finish. This kit comes in a versatile dark brown shade, perfect for a wide range of hair colors. It offers a natural yet striking enhancement to your features. What we like? This kit features an innovative eyebrow stamp pencil for quick and easy application, perfect for achieving symmetrical brows in seconds. Its waterproof formula ensures your brows stay put all day, even through sweat or humidity. If you desire perfectly shaped, long-lasting brows with minimal effort and also want a complete eye makeup solution, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to fulfill the request. Number 2. UCANBE 25-piece Eyebrow Stamp Stencil Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with ease. This comprehensive 25-piece kit provides everything you need for stunning results. Discover the secret to flawless brows with its innovative dual-color stamp pomade. It allows you to customize your shade for a natural look. Experiment with 20 reusable eyebrow stencils to find your ideal shape. They make shaping simple and consistent every time. This kit includes essential tools like finishing powder, a precision brush, and an eyebrow razor. They help you refine and perfect your brow look. Enjoy long-lasting, waterproof brows that stay put all day. Plus, it comes with a convenient zipper pouch for easy storage and travel. What we like? This massive 25-piece kit offers an unparalleled variety of 20 reusable stencils and a dual-color eyebrow stamp pomade, making it easy to find your perfect brow shape and shade. It's designed for effortless application, even for beginners, ensuring symmetrical and natural-looking brows. If you're new to brow shaping, want many options to experiment with, and need a waterproof, long-lasting solution, this comprehensive kit is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. LAVONE Eyebrow Makeup Kit. Introducing the LAVONE Eyebrow Makeup Kit, your all-in-one solution for stunning brows. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to enhance your natural beauty. Inside, you'll find a waterproof eyebrow pen designed for precise application. It helps you create sharp, defined lines that last all day, no matter the weather. This kit also includes a brow wax to sculpt and hold your brows in place, along with an eyeliner set for added definition. Together, they complete your eye makeup look effortlessly. For seamless blending and shaping, it comes with a convenient dual-ended brow brush. This tool ensures smooth application and a professional finish every time you use it. Designed to give you naturally fuller brows, this kit helps fill in sparse areas and create a beautiful, natural appearance. You'll love how it enhances your facial features. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your brows will stay perfect throughout the day. This formula is smudge-proof, ensuring your look remains flawless from morning to night. What we like? This kit focuses on creating naturally fuller and defined brows with its precise, waterproof eyebrow pen. The included brow wax ensures a smudge-proof finish that lasts all day without fading. If you prefer a natural, hair-like stroke for your brows and need a reliable, long-wearing formula that won't budge, this set is perfect for achieving a polished yet understated look. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.